this week I wanted to create a delicious coconut chocolate ice cream using the Vitamix. I wanted something really healthy, but was really simple to make. So I've created, this is my new Co-Woah chocolate ice cream. All right, absolutely beautiful. Let's start. I've got some coconut cream. So just enough coconut cream to cover the blades. Make sure you use a premium quality coconut cream. And you'll notice I'm using the new Vitamix Explorian E310 blender. This is the newest Vitamix model on the market. And I'm gonna add some chocolate, right? So this is raw cacao. It's absolutely beautiful, filled with all sorts of good nutrition, antioxidants, really good for you. It's really bitter, so I need to sweeten it up. So I'm gonna put in some medjool dates, and we've pitted those, all right? You don't wanna put the pit in there. So 3 large medjool dates. If they're small, add some more in. And I've just made a bit of a mess there. I'm gonna add in, 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. Look at that, absolutely beautiful. Nice natural sweetener. And a little bit of Himalayan rock salt, just to bring out that natural flavor in the chocolate. And I'm gonna freeze it. I'm gonna use ice, just plain old ice. 3 cups of ice. Or until my measurements on the container here come up to 4 cups. I've got 1 cup of liquid, coconut cream and chocolate, and 3 cups of ice. That's my ice cream ratio. I'm gonna lock my lid into place. Gonna use the tamper when I make ice cream. High speed for about 30 to 60 seconds. We'll just see how we go. All right, high speed. That is it, all right? When we talk about ice cream in your Vitamix, we talk about 4 peaks, and that is demonstrating it beautifully, all right? Absolutely delicious. I'm gonna tuck straight in, try some of that. Amazing. If you love chocolate ice cream, definitely make this recipe. It's absolutely delicious. Happy blending.